everyone. Today we are discussing about different types of diseases, their causal organism, how this is transmitted, that means mode of transmission, what symptoms appear in the body. Because in our earlier video we discussed about the key points and general knowledge about the different types of diseases. Here we discussed one by one details about some diseases. First one, that is pneumonia. Can you give me answer? We discussed the typhoid in our earlier video. What is the causal organism of typhoid? Okay, pneumonia causal organism. This disease is a bacterial disease. As we discussed that on the basis of pathogen, the types of diseases are bacterial disease, viral disease, fungal disease. This is caused by the worms, that means Helminth disease, protozoan disease. So this pneumonia is a type of bacterial disease which is caused by the Streptococcus pneumoniae. Here in this disease, the person's alveoli, that means the functional unit of the lungs. Infection occurs in the alveoli, in the lungs, and this, due to this disease, respiratory capacity is affected. Transmission, how this disease is transmitted? By the inhaling droplets in the air or aerosols from the infected person to healthy person, or by sharing glass or utensils or any other things. What symptoms appear when a person have pneumonia? Fever, chills, cough, headache. In severe cases, lips and fingers, nails turns grey to blue color. Next one is the common cold. All of you know this is a viral disease caused by the rhinovirus. In this disease, the target organ is the nasal epithelium, that means the lining of the nose, nasal epithelium, and respiratory passage infected mainly. Transmission, how this disease is transmitted? By the contaminated, using contaminated objects from the infected persons like pen, book, pencil, mouse, or mobile, or maybe laptop. Symptoms, nasal congestion also occur here, and discharge from nose, sore throat, tiredness, headache, cough, and hoarseness. Dengue fever. The causal organism in this case is flavivirus, that means dengue fever is caused by virus. This is a viral disease transmitted by mosquito. So main thing in these diseases which is transmitted by mosquito, that means vector. In this case, mosquito is a vector. Vector is a disease transmitting agent. Here virus is the disease causing agent, pathogen, and mosquito is a disease transmitting agent. This is vector. Symptoms in case of dengue fever, there is a febrile illness, and do you know that no vaccine is discovered till the date for dengue fever? Only rest and drink water and different types of healthy drinks. Because symptoms appear in this case, symptoms appear 3 to 14 days after infection. This is the incubation period. As you know, the recent disease, that is the COVID-19 pandemic, all you heard that this disease also appear after infection, maybe after 14 days, 15 days, because this is the incubation period of that COVID-19 virus. Chikungunya, this disease also caused by a virus, chikungunya virus, transmitted by Aedes mosquito. Here Aedes mosquito is also vector. In case of chikungunya, no treatment, only mosquito control is the prevention and curative measure. In this disease, maybe fever occur up to 104 degree Fahrenheit degrees, and severe joint pain also occur, muscles pain. Amoebiasis. Amoebiasis, this is a protozoan disease. Amoebiasis caused by the Entamoeba histolytica. Entamoeba histolytica. This is a protozoa, unicellular organism transmitted by housefly. That means here housefly is also vector, act as a carrier. This disease is transmitted by a parasite from the feces of the infected person. Because feces of the infected person contaminate the food and water, so by the contaminated food and water, this disease is also transmitted. Symptoms in case of amoebiasis: abdominal pain, stomach pain, constipation, cramps, stool with excess mucus, and blood clots. Ringworm. This is a fungal disease caused by some genera of fungus like Microsporum, Trichophyton. Transmission. This disease is transmitted by the contact with the infected person or using some things like towels, cloths, combs, etc. This is a very infectious disease. Symptoms in case of ringworm: dry and scaly lesions on the skin and scalp, and intense itching in the area where skin infection occur. Helminth disease. Helminth disease, that is caused by the worm Ascariasis. Helminth is a member of Platyhelminthes, Nematohelminthes, nematoda, as you studied in class 9th. Platyhelminthes, Nematohelminthes or nematoda. So this is Ascaris, is a member of nematoda. Causal organism is Ascaris lumbricoides, also known as the roundworm. Transmission: eggs found in the feces of the infected person which contaminate the water and food, soil, plant also. That means disease is also transmitted through the vegetables, fruits and water, because feces when mixed in the plants and soil, it infects the vegetables, fruits and water. In case of this Ascariasis disease, symptoms: abdominal pain, indigestion, anemia, muscular pain, internal bleeding, fever, blockage of intestinal passage, etc. Another worm disease, that is elephantiasis. Causal organism is Wucheria bancrofti. This is also roundworm. Transmission: this disease is transmitted by vector Culex mosquito. Symptoms in case of elephantiasis: inflammation of organs in which they live. So generally they are live in the limbs, lymph nodes of the limbs. Blockage of lymph vessels occur due to the infection of this worm of lower limb mainly, resulting in the swelling like elephant. That means lower limb just like, पैर कैसे हो जाते हैं, just like elephant. That's why the name given elephantiasis. Have you heard about the हाथी पांव रोग, elephantiasis? And genital organs may be affected. This is all about different diseases which are infectious disease. As you heard about the COVID-19 virus, that is also which caused the SARS disease, COVID-19 pandemic. This is also very infectious disease. So what precaution a person should follow in case of these infectious diseases? Maintain personal hygiene, maintain public hygiene, maintain social distancing, eradication of vector, use mosquito nets, vaccination, like in case of polio, आपने सुना होगा, this is a pulse polio day. Okay, that means for the polio disease, vaccine is given that day, that is known as the vaccination. Use some antibiotics and drugs. This is all about the different types of infectious diseases, their causal organism, how the disease transmitted, and what are the precautions a person should follow in case of infectious diseases. Thank you.